Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about how you can actually create multiple streams of income. Now, one of the major things, guys, you got to understand is that Amazon.com is one of the best places for you to start your dropshipping business and obviously find the right product to sell and break away from the 9-to-5 that you always were stuck in. And obviously with these amazing strategies that we're going to look at today, you can get that opportunity that you always dreamed about to become financially independent. If you want to take matters to even a higher level, you can become an Amazon affiliate market programmer and an Amazon associate. And this is one of the largest affiliate marketing program in the world, guys. The Amazon associate programs helps content creators, publishers, and bloggers to monetize their traffic. And guys, with millions of products and programs available on Amazon, associate can use the easy link building tools to direct their audience to their recommendations and earn from qualifying purchases and programs. So you don't need to actually start selling products. You need to recommend products, and anyone that buys that product, you're gonna get a cut from that. It's very easy and simple to join, and you can join thousands of creators and publishers and bloggers who are earning with the Amazon Associate program. Even more, you can share millions of products with your audience and customize the linking tools for large publishers, individual bloggers, and social media influencers, and you earn up to 10% in the associate commissions from qualifying purchases and programs. Their competitive conversion rates help maximize earnings. And guys, we live in a digital world right now. Look at the amount of individuals and subscribers you have on YouTube. Look at the amount of followers you have on Facebook, on TikTok, on Instagram. And obviously, if you harness that power, and even if 1%, 2%, 10% of those individuals are able to buy or get that program or product, you're gonna make money in turn of it. And obviously, it doesn't make a difference where they're based. It could be in the US, in Canada, in Australia, in Peru, or South Africa, or Argentina, or Russia, or China, or in the UK as well. And you'll be able to make money from the comfort of your home. Now, how does the system actually work? You can share products and available programs on Amazon with your audience through customized linking tools and earn money on qualifying purchases. And you earn from the qualifying purchases program through the traffic that you drive to Amazon. And the commission income for qualifying purchase program differ based on the product category. And bloggers, publishers, content creators with qualifying websites or mobile app can participate. It's very simple and straightforward, guys. All you need to do is click on over here and sign up for the programs. Now, once you've done it, you might be thinking that, listen, if I'm actually working an affiliate program, why can't I affiliate and give chances to people to buy my product? And that is where Shopify comes in, guys, because Shopify is the global commerce platform that you can use to build and sell online, offline, and everywhere in between. And there's millions of entrepreneurs that have chosen Shopify to build their business, and you could be one of them. With a global economic activity of $444 billion, you can get piece of that cake. It's very simple and easy to start your account on Shopify. You can sell to every buyer everywhere with the best converting checkout on the planet and a flexible point of sale to power your retail store. And from the first funnel to a full touch, you can easily find everything from streaming your back office to actually managing your finances. And with the support, guidance, and assistance available on Shopify, you can really scale the business to heights that is never known before. So if you don't have a Shopify account, guys, don't worry. Click in the description below on the link and get Shopify for 90 days, or just click on start the free trial and start your Shopify account on Shopify.com. Now, you might be thinking, what do we do after we've done it? Now, the easy and simple way is go over to Printful.com. Printful.com is a place where you can turn your ideas into premium products and boost your e-commerce brands. Now, what is Printful all about? And this is what I love about Printful, because you can sell custom products globally and save times while they print and they ship the product on demand, meaning you create the products for yourself, for your loved ones, and anyone who appreciate the thoughtful design and premium quality work that you've done. And they use the warehouses and fulfillment services to the store and sell your own products and promo materials. So they have unlimited number of premium products that you can look at: patches and t-shirts and tag shops and hoodies and sweaters and hats and dinkwares and footwears and swimwear. Everything is available over here. So how does it work, guys? It's very simple and straightforward. All you need to do is connect to Printful, and you connect your store on Shopify or at Amazon to Printful. You add your products and you set your own retail prices. A customer buys from your store and they charge for the fulfillment, and you keep the profit. They take care of our order from A to Z. They control the whole fulfillment process, and the customer receives their order with your brand attached to it. Now, what we're going to do is that we're going to connect our Amazon and our Shopify store to our accounts on Printful over here. And then we're going to do the market affiliate for this store and get more people to buy from it. So what's going to happen now is that we're going to get paid through the Amazon affiliate program when someone buys that product, because we're actually working as an Amazon affiliate. At the same time, when they buy the product from our store, which we are an affiliate of, so you're going to make money from the sale of the product and from the person buying it. So there's two streams of income that you're going to be generated just like that. And that, my friend, is how the cookie crumbles. Now, if you look at this fact that you can connect so many platforms, you can connect Amazon and Shopify and Etsy and eBay and TikTok and Wix and Square and BigCommerce and WooCommerce and even ShipStation. If you have accounts on every single one of these platforms, guys, those are opportunities that are knocking on your door right now, and they're saying, let's make money together. And you can make a lot of money by simply following this strategy step by step and getting the financial freedom that you always want. Now, you might be thinking that, how am I going to stand out? How am I going to get the right designs? I don't want to copy something off someone. So what do, guys? You simply head over to Fiverr.com, because you want to find an individual that can do a t-shirt design for you. Just search for t-shirt design and click on all these individuals that are working right now and designing t-shirts as a business. Their actual element and their work is designing. So they design a design for you to put on the t-shirts for you to sell. So you get the design made from Fiverr.com, from this individual, from that individual, and anyone that you feel it falls under your budget. You head over to Printful.com. You select the product that you want to actually sell. So let's say we're going to sell t-shirts and tank tops. Now, once you click on the t-shirt and tank tops, what we're going to do is we're going to go to the next page. On this page, we will be able to upload the design that we want on any of these custom t-shirts that are available over here. We can put our design here, we can put our design over here, and we can sell these products. This shirt is for $10.95. If you put a logo on it, if you put a design on it, we can sell it for $19.99. We can sell it for $24.99 and make a healthy profit at the end of the day. And it is truly that simple and straightforward to do it, guys. You can do accessories, you can do t-shirts, you can do hoodies, you can do whatever you want. Just click on the actual element that you want, go to the next page, and obviously start designing. Now, once you click on start designing, what we're going to do is very simple, straightforward. Once we get the design from Fiverr.com, we will be able to upload the design over here on this particular element, and we can actually get the design where you want it. It could be on the left side, it could be on the center, it could be outside, it could be inside, it could be at the back. And obviously, when you click on design, you just upload the file that you've gotten from your Fiverr individuals, from the freelancer that made the design for you, and putting it over here, you'll be able to start your business, and you can sell all these elements on Shopify and on Amazon and make money at the end of the day. It is truly as simple, straightforward, easy as that, guys. Now, if you got any questions whatsoever, you can always ask me in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to help you, support you, guide you, and to assist you. And obviously, if you have not subscribed to our channel, do subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and family, and stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.